So good morning, everybody. I hope you've all had a great week. It's been very exciting for us to welcome back kindergarten, year 2, year 4, lower 5 and lower 6 onto site. And pupils and staff have been really pleased to see other human beings, not that they don't love their families very much, but it's been great for them to have a bit of contact with their peers, a bit of input in terms of their teaching and learning. And by next week, this time next week, we will have all pre-prep and juniors back on site, every single year group. So year 5, year 3, your time is coming. But hot off the press, the government announced on Monday that Key Stage 3, so upper 3, lower 4, upper 4, they are going to let you back onto site for some face-to-face time between now and the end of term. So we still have to do it according to their guidelines and parameters and pods, but we have drawn up a schedule and we will be sending that out next week. So in just over a week's time, we will start getting year 7s, 8s and 9s back on site. So that's great. Good. We have a very special entry for Look What Surprised Me in the Lounge this week. And this is a really lovely photograph. Shall we have a look and see the photograph? That is baby Beatrice Hazel Sinclair Smith, born on Wednesday morning. And Mr. Sinclair Smith, our head of English, sent it in. And he's very proud new father. And he and wife Fran and baby Beatrice, who came home from hospital yesterday, they are all doing really well. So we are thrilled to bits and we wish you all the very best. But what a lovely photograph. So thank you very much. Now, we've also had some wonderful photos sent in from Godfrey in Rwanda. And the money that we raised as a school from our Run for Rwanda and charity events has enabled him to provide thousands of people with food and soap during lockdown in the Hanukkah region. So let's have a little look at some of the photos that he's sent us. So he sent a message to go with these photographs. He said, "Dear friends, I hope that you are all fine and safe. Greetings from your Rwandan friends. They keep you in their prayers. Thank you very much for supporting our people for all this time. Your stand with us has made it possible for us to reach this stage. We couldn't have done it without you. We have so far served more than 37,000 individuals with food and soap for hygiene. Many people are living now because you sacrificed your resources to support them. With the lockdown restrictions being softened, we are hit with the problem of people who have lost their jobs and the increase in COVID infections. We thank God who has saved us. Your help with all that we do will always be remembered and respected. May our Heavenly Father bless you abundantly. With love, Godfrey." And how wonderful that Talbot Heath community is able to support the Hanukkah community at this time. And if you would still like to support that initiative, we will be sending out information about how you can do so very soon. Now, on Monday, we announced our new head girls and deputy head girls team. And as we were so pleased with how well our live outside broadcast went and how well Mrs. Clems did as our sort of Wincy Willis with her, that's a 1980s reference, everybody. So here we go to them live with their umbrellas so that they can introduce themselves. Are you there, Mrs. Clems?
Yes, I am here, Mrs. Holloway. Good morning. We are back, not quite so sunny today, but here is the new head girl team, and they're going to introduce themselves in a moment. But first of all, I'd like to congratulate them for being successful in such a rigorous process they put themselves through. They put themselves forward for interview. They were subject to staff and pupil vote, I beg your pardon. So very well done, girls. We're going to go over, first of all, to one of our first head girl, Fran. who's going to introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Fran. I'm one of the new head girls. Ever since I joined school in kindergarten, I've always looked up to the head girl team, and I'm thrilled and honoured to be a part of it in this upcoming year. I'm passionate about the subjects that I study, which are chemistry, physics, maths, and further maths, and I'm looking to study chemical engineering at university in 2021. I also love my sports, whether that be inside or outside of school, which has been heavily influenced by the PE department growing up. My favourite sports are hockey, and I love skiing in the winter. Next year, I'm really looking forward to representing such a unique and innovative school, and I cannot wait to get involved in as many opportunities as possible. Thank you.
Thanks, Fran. We're going to Emily, our other head girl.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I've been appointed one of the head girls of Talbot Heath. For my A-levels, I take classical civilization, English literature, and theatre studies, and it's amazing to study subjects that I'm so passionate about. In my spare time, I participate in drama performances, and I also kayak with my friends. I'm really excited to do my duty as head girl and be able to help pastorally in all elements of the school, junior and senior, and also I'm really looking forward to work with such an amazing team. Thank you. Okay, nice and loud, Lydia, our deputy head girl.
Hi, my name's Lydia and I'm one of the new deputy head girls. My A-level courses, I'm taking history, psychology, and economics, which I find very interesting and really enjoy. One of my favourite activities to do at school is snow and water skiing with friends and family. And lastly, one of the main things I'm looking forward to as deputy head girl is being able to organise and take part in whole school events such as the open evening.
And I believe Izzy is at home. Izzy, our other deputy head girl, waiting all the way in Wimborne, I think. Are we over to Izzy now?
Hello. Can you hear me? I hope you can all hear me. So, hi everyone, my name is Izzy, and I'm one of the new deputy head girls here at Talbot Heath. I'm currently working towards achieving my A-levels in English, history and art, all of which I'm thoroughly enjoying and are helping me to develop my skills for further education next year. In my spare time, I love watching films, reading books and cooking, as well as looking after all of my house plants. I'm honoured to have achieved my role as deputy head girl. This school has done so much for me, and I cannot wait to have the opportunity to return the favour by getting stuck in and helping wherever possible next year. In my role, I'm mostly looking forward to getting to know this amazing school community better and planning fun activities that everyone can be a part of with the rest of the head girl and prefect team. Thank you.
So well done. Thank you, Mrs. Clems. And can we all congratulate our new team head girls and deputy head girls? Well done. Now, I promised you that Girls Aloud would be performing today, and Boys Only opted for quite a gentle 1970s ballad. But we've gone for a 1980s goth classic. So this song is dedicated to all of you who remember wearing black, hiding behind your fringe, and swaying around your bedrooms. It's Friday, everybody. in the street, spinning round and round. Always take a big bite, it's such a gorgeous sight to see you eat in the middle of the night. You can never get enough of this stuff. It's Friday, I'm in love. Care if Monday's blue, Tuesday's grey and Wednesday too. Thursday, I don't care about you. It's Friday, I'm in love. Monday, you can fall apart. Tuesday, Wednesday, break my heart. Thursday doesn't even start. It's Friday, I'm in love. Yes, governors, that's really what the head teacher does in between lessons and meetings. So a huge thank you to Girls Aloud and the band, and particularly Lucy, who edited that, because we all performed and played remotely. Miss Saunders, that poster, marvellous. And we pulled that together in a week, so great effort. Now we are going live for a special sports notice from Mrs. Linden. Are you there, Mrs. Linden?
Hello everyone. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm not quite sure how to follow that, but I'm going to try. So I'm here today to promote our virtual sports day. I'm very excited to be part of Talbot Heath and the sports days. And we are not going to miss out this year. We are doing virtual sports day, not one, not two, but it's over 10 days. Over 10 days, you're going to have the opportunity, starting next Friday, to be involved in our sports days. So that's from next Friday all the way through, you can see there on the screen, to Monday the 6th of July. We are going to have lots of events to be able to choose from. Hopefully there'll be something there for everyone, from the egg and spoon to the sprinting to the welly throw perhaps. We're also going to try and walk, run, however means, to Rwanda as a school community. That's 6,000 miles. So there will be a one-day step count event as well. So something there for everybody. I would love to see, maybe there'll be some special prizes for those that do all 7 events. Wow, that would be amazing. All the information, more information than I could possibly give this morning, will be sent out to you. You'll hear more through your PE Google Classrooms, as well as information sent out. And everybody can be involved. So it's not just for students. Staff as well have been working hard and practicing. You'll see more about that as well, perhaps next Friday. And parents, we'd love seeing you into your daughter's PE lesson videos. We'd love for you to be involved. Governors, perhaps even alumni. Wouldn't that be amazing if the whole school community were involved in our virtual sports day? You can use your PE lessons during this time, during our virtual sports day 10 days. That will be your PE time. So you have plenty of time to practice, even in the weekends. You've got 2 weekends, and obviously your evenings and downtimes to send in your best results. And you'll be able to do that via the special email address that we've set up, which is sportsday@talbotheath.org. Don't worry. All this information will be sent out as well. House points, of course, will be given out. So I've heard a very competitive event. You won't miss out on that, and everybody that takes part will get house points for their respective houses. But we would love to see you involved. We'd love to see photos and videos of you performing, and of course adorned in your house colours, face paints and different colours, clothing for that event as well. So as you would, in a normal way, but just virtually. So we can't wait to take part in this event, and we hope that you can't as well.
Thank you, Mrs. Linden. That's fantastic. So competitive parents, I expect to see wellies being lobbed down the beach. Please take every health and safety precaution when doing so. You don't want to miss next Friday's assembly. We've got some marvellous staff videos of staff in training for our virtual sports day. So Reverend Burke, just before you start training for the welly wanging event, could we please have the prayer?
Well, singing, dancing, welly throwing, I'm worn out already, but we'll pray. We give you thanks, O God, for the gift of life, life seen in baby Beatrice, life witnessed in our support of our Rwandan friends, life shared in music, in dance, and in sport. For all of life, we thank you, O God. Amen.
Thank you very much, and good effort for getting everything in this slightly diverse assembly into your prayer. Wonderful. So have a wonderful weekend, everybody. I can't wait to see Year 5 and Year 3 back next week. Have a super day. Bye.